What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Tyler with Tarver Academy, and I'm wearing a James Harden jersey. I was gonna say I'm James Harden, but I've already done that, so I'm not gonna do that again. Just kidding, this is James Harden. Hey, stir it up. Let's get started. So, today's problem of the day. You may not be familiar with this, you may not have seen this before, but it's okay, because now you will have seen it. We're saying, what is sine of, there's a name for that, I forgot what it was. Call it the weird symbol. So what is the sine of that right there? Okay, you're not going to get an exact number here. You're going to get essentially maybe a fraction. Give it a shot and then we'll work together. Okay, so we're trying to find the sine of this, which means we're finding the sine of this angle, okay? The trick is you got to know what sine is. And it's probably something you've heard of before, but I'm going to teach it to you again, okay? Y'all ever heard of SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA. Okay. There are abbreviations for this, but I can't remember the ones that don't sound bad, so I'm just going to say SOHCAHTOA. We can remember that, right? SOHCAHTOA. Okay? So what we're going to do is that means that it's sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA is opposite over adjacent, okay? So that's how you would break down all of these. Now, the one we care about is sine, S-I-N, okay? So we're sine. Now, this is what you may not be familiar with, okay? From that angle, this is our vantage point. This is where we're starting from. We need to know, well, what is opposite and what is hypotenuse, okay? Well, hopefully you know what a hypotenuse is. In a right triangle, your hypotenuse is always opposite. It's the side that is opposite the right angle. So if this is our right angle, that means that C is our hypotenuse. So I know that's on the bottom. Oh, that's not a C, that's a 6. The C is on the bottom of that, okay? Now, we need to know what opposite is. And you're saying, Tyler, you just told me that's the opposite. That is opposite the right angle. The hypotenuse is the largest line on the triangle. It is opposite the right angle. We need what is opposite of the angle we care about, okay? H is hypotenuse, that's C. Opposite would be opposite that angle. So if this is our angle, only two options are A or B. This is the opposite of that angle. It is on the complete other side of the triangle. B is right next to it, which means adjacent, okay? And if you're like, well, Tyler, C is adjacent also. Hypotenuse always trumps adjacent. So that's hypotenuse, boom, knocked it out. Now we've just got opposite and adjacent. I care about opposite, which is A. So the sine of that would be AC. And you did it. And it feels pretty cool, doesn't it? Because of the AC. Did you see what I did there? It wasn't a good joke. I apologize. Okay, y'all be good. Please subscribe. Stay sweet.